Here comes the lumber for our steps. Paul and his grandson, Talen, are gonna build wraparound steps up to our bathroom platform. Cool. This guy has to greet everybody, and she knows Talen. Before the steps are constructed. Getting tired of stepping up. All right, the work begins.
This is A45 going straight to this inside corner, or the outside corner.
2 foot.
25 and a half.
Oh, it's outside.
Doing a visual concept of making this
Why don't we keep it just a true 2 foot?
like a 45 at the end.
Well, I think it would,
You think it would be?
I don't know, you just don't need that much.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to have it pointing way out into the room. So I think this is a great plan.
So,
All in all. All in all.
A little bit less radical of an angle
yeah,
here.
you don't need to have it so much.
Oh, it goes on top. It's like a
It's gonna
L.
go like that, and then.
Yeah, okay. So because we have the coating on the concrete floor, which was actually measured to be really dry, there's no need to do treated lumber for the steps.
Well, code is 42 inches. So anything closer to an outside wall, less than 42, needs to be treated.
Oh, okay.
That's the code.
Mark them both.
So this is supposed to be coated, or I mean treated?
No.
Okay.
All the fresh.
Leave this one in place, cut that, and cut that. So I need to mark this outside edge here, and I don't want to move it. Well. Perfect. Cut it twice. There you go. So now we gotta figure this out.
It's just a 22.5.
So I'm gonna go 75. That's right. There it is. Oh, but I gotta go on the inside of it though.
28 and a half for that angle piece. And that's inches.
Well, I don't have my.
You cut it backwards. Yeah. You cut it backwards.
You like it?
The first step. Well, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm going up or down. It's an outline.
It's a what?
It's an outline.
Yeah. Let's just keep going.
Oh.
What?
You're right.
Did you cut it long?
It looks like it's a little longer.
You can trim it a little bit. Yeah. Not even a blade.
Why do they call it rough?
I'm liking it. Really taking shape.
So some threes.
Or we're just going straight in.
Well, there's nothing to nail to.
I know.
So we're gonna, unless you want to, we could use these blocks. Anyhow, I'll get you a regular piece of wood, a little bit longer.
A few challenges in connecting it to the existing framing of the floor joist, if you will.
Okay, so grab a screw gun. We'll just use a bigger one. Just because. So when you screw this down, you screw in between
Okay.
those marks.
We'll do it a mess.
Yeah. Cool.
So that bottom stud against the platform on the floor is basically there to help connect all the parts to a single screw that goes into the base. Because there's nothing there above it until near the top. Is that pretty accurate? You want me to put some weight on it?
No.
Looking good.
Can I, do you want me to screw that?
Ready for plywood? All right, so step number 1 is ready to cover up.
Almost.
Where's your square?
A stress test. Oh yeah. Looking good?